Okay, so what we want to do first of all is open Logic. Logic will be installed at the bottom here, just on Logic Pro X. Just click that and it'll open. Either into a new project like this, already someone's working there. If it does that, just press File, New. But if it doesn't open up into a new project, this bar at the top will change to say Logic Pro X, and again just go File, New. If it comes up with this menu, just press Close and don't save. What we want to do now, it'll come up with this menu. We're going to create something in Ultrabeat, which is Logic's drum sampler step sequencer. It's not its own, well, it's not its only drum piece of software, but this is the one we're using just for this task. So we go on Software Instrument, change it to Ultrabeat here, number of tracks 1, and create. It's going to come up with a very complex looking Ultrabeat, this. So this is Ultrabeat, the drum synthesizer, drum sampler, and we're going to start creating step sequences in Logic using Ultrabeat. If we want full view here, we can see the step sequencer. And if we press play, we can hear what it sounds like. Each step sequence, well, each preset for Logic comes with a different pattern in the step sequencer. And we can choose what type of drum kit we want by clicking on the menu here where it says Factory Default, going down to Drum Kits and choosing any drum kit we want. And they're all preloaded samples. There's a lot of them in there. So I'm going to go on Trance Kit 1 and just see what that is like. So if we go to the step sequencer on full view at the bottom right, press play. Pretty boring. Just trying to turn the volume up on my headphones. 2 seconds. Great, good. Now I can hear it properly. So we're going to first of all clear all this stuff that Apple or Logic have preset in for us and create our own. If you control click this box here, you can either go 1, 2, and look at all the other kind of presets that Logic have built in for you. Well, let's hear theirs. Sounds pretty good, but we're going to clear. So we can start completely from refresh. What I want first of all, I normally press play and just kind of work like that. So I'm going to put a kick on every beat. Quite a meaty kick. Then a hard clap on every second beat. Can't really hear that, so I'm going to layer that up with this break snare, whatever that's called. And then I'm going to put in some club toms, whatever these are. Sounds okay, and keep on layering it up. So here we've got open hat and short hat. I'm going to do it so it's short hat, close hat, just like that. That sort of techno pattern. Then this open hat here, see what that sounds like. Might sound weird. It does. So, see what it sounds like on the second 16th beat. Again, a bit odd. So I'm going to swap these two around. I think that sounds alright. A bit odd though, doesn't it? At the beginning of each phrase, well, I've got a crash there. Nice. Let's get a rim shot going. And I want, on the offbeats, And then you think, well, how do I get this into Logic? Because at the moment, it's essentially just a play around, mess around, that sort of thing, just in the synth here. It's not actually in the sequencer in Logic. So what we can do is quite a clever thing. Here, you drag those dots to there, let go, and there's your pattern. And we can exit Ultrabeat, double click what you've just dragged in, call this region, and there's your pattern there as well. Very clever. And if we play it inside Logic, and make a loop by dragging here, let's see what this is like. Same. Good. So that's essentially how to use Ultrabeat in a nutshell. So just a quick recap. You can, if you didn't manage to insert the instrument first, what you can do, you can click Create New Track there, Software Instrument Ultrabeat again there, Create, or you could here, when you click on a track, click the menu there, or hold the mouse down, go to Ultrabeat and choose there. If you've done this and you're comfortable with Ultrabeat, great, or you want to explore more, have a click around on some of these, play with the MIDI keyboard and stuff, but please do explore what we've got. So create at least 3 patterns on 3 different kits that you're happy with, and then we can go from there. But good luck and well done.